Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Porsche Taycan. We'll cover everything from understanding your charging options to getting the most out of your charging sessions. First, let's identify the two charging ports on your vehicle, one on each side, for both alternating current and direct current charging. This ensures you're ready for any charging scenario. For everyday charging, you'll primarily use alternating current or AC charging. At home, a dedicated wall box often provides 11 kilowatts, fully charging your Taycan overnight. Public AC points, using a Type 2 connector, can offer up to 22 kilowatts, perfect for topping up while you shop or work. It's a convenient and widely available option. When you need to charge quickly, direct current, or DC, fast charging is your best friend. Your Taycan can handle an impressive 270 kilowatts of power using the CCS Combo 2 connector. This means you can add significant range in a short time. For example, a 5-minute charge can provide around 60 miles of driving. To maximize your charging efficiency, especially with DC fast chargers, precondition your battery using the navigation system. This warms it to the optimal temperature. Also, leverage the Porsche charging service for seamless access to a vast network of public chargers. You can easily monitor your charging progress and battery status directly through the My Porsche app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.